Hi, welcome to our channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will see how to calculate the weighted moving average method, right? So this video is based on forecasting via weighted moving average method. This is a previous video example only. We have to calculate this we have to forecast the April, May, June sales by using a large three period history. So how we will do? This time we will use the weighted moving average method. How weight moving average method works? Let's see. So weight moving average method works in decreasing order 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. And how we will apply? Let's see. For example, we will take is equals to this into 3 by 6, delete it here, plus this 2 by 6 plus this 1 by 6, right? And we let's see how enter. I'm showing 5.166, 5.17, right? Similarly here, let's take it 3 here. Now what we will do is equals to this into 3 by 6 plus this 2 by 6 plus this 3 by 6 and click enter. So this is how we got the result 6.16. Now let's take it here 7. So similarly here this plus 3 by 6 plus this cell 2 by 6 plus this cell 1 by 6. So this is the answer we are getting. So this is weight forecast method, weight weighted moving average method. So this video is all about weighted moving average forecasting method. So by mistake it is 1 by 6. So this is the result. So thanks for watching this video. This we will come with exponential smoothing method also in next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.